Welcome back to our channel. Today we have Thar for complete service, suspension work service. You can just have a look at the vehicle at the moment. So you can just check how the complete things have been removed. The wheel joints have been removed completely. You can check out the discs have been completely removed. Air filter is removed, and you can just check out the complete old ball joints, link rods, and brake cables, handbrake cables is going to be changed. And we have removed the liner also here. You can just check out right now the brake cylinder also is going to be changed on this. There is a issue with the brake cylinders also. The braking issue is there. So all the four wheels have been completely removed and everything would be serviced. Complete work would be done completely, and also all engine oil is also going to be topped up, and we would be checking. And you can just check out brand new ball joints have been installed on this. You can just check out the kits completely installed. We use everything OE Mahindra parts itself. So for any kinds of queries, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. We are more into Thar, Gypsies, Boleros, Thar 4x4 service, and now we are a multi-brand car workshop, and we undertake all kinds of cars also, both petrol and diesel. For any kinds of queries, please like and subscribe our channel. WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Thank you. And you can just have a look at this Gypsy, which has been upgraded to 1.6, completely installed in this and ready to drive. And a little bit of wiring issue is there. We are going to sort it out, and we are going to delivering it to the customer. For any kinds of queries regarding any petrol cars also, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.